In this lesson, we're going to have a look to control the drawing display. The key concepts are how to use pan and zoom, the zoom window, the full view, to scale a view, the aerial view, differentiate between model and paper space, how to create viewports. The whole aim and objective is to gain an understanding of how to view a drawing completely or enlarged in AutoCAD. To pan, you basically reposition the view in the drawing area. It does not change the location or coordinates of the object. You can right-click, select pan from the pop-up menu. On the standard toolbar, you can also select the pan real-time symbol. You can type pan at the command prompt. You can go view pan real-time. You'll see the cursor change into the hand. Hold in your mouse, drag it, release, press enter when done. With zooming, you increases or decreases the size of the objects displayed in the drawing area. It does not change the absolute size of the drawing. You can right-click, select zoom. You can select the zoom icon from the standard toolbar, or you type zoom at the command prompt. Go view zoom real time. Use the pick button, that's the left mouse button. Click to increase or magnify it. You're going to scroll up to shrink it, to zoom out. You're going to turn the scroll down button. Press enter when done. We're going to zoom in a specific area. We're going to use the zoom window. Go view zoom window, and we're going to specify the corners. To restore a full view, we can go to view zoom all. You can also use on the standard toolbar the fly out window there, or at the command prompt. You can also scaling a view if you need to increase or decrease the magnification of the objects by a precise scale. We're going to go to view zoom scale. This number needs to be positive and it needs to be non-zero. So we're going to type in there 3, and it's going to zoom it 3 times according to scale. The bigger the number, the more it's going to magnify it. We're going to change it back to scale 1. Then you will see it will decrease the view. Aerial view is a navigation tool that displays a view of a drawing in a separate window. The command for it is DS Viewer. You can also go from the menu View, Aerial View, where it opens the window, and without using zoom and pan from the menus or the toolbars or the command line, you can reposition it. Just click on it, drag the mouse, and right-click when done. We're going to have a bit of a look of model space versus paper space. So far, you've worked with model space where you create and edit your objects of your drawing. In paper space, you're basically going to compose your drawing sheet. You can click there on the tab to click it between model or paper space. You can type P space at the command prompt, or you can just click on layout 1. Where it's generated the view. We only want to plot the outside on this layout or this paper space. So you can see, click there on the frame, release it, and we're going to drag this a bit down. You can also zoom in and out. We're going to add a bit of text here, but more about text in lesson 9. It's 0 degrees outside view. Let's press escape there. We're just going to drag this into the viewport. If we go back to the model space, you will see it does not affect. Click on Layout 2, where it's generated it, and we want to print here the floor plan. Same procedure, click on the block. We're going to specify. We're going to go to Zoom window. And specify the block, and that is how it will print it. Once again, you can add title blocks, annotations directly in the paper space view without affecting the drawing or the model itself. So far you've only been working with a single viewport. Here we got 3 models on our drawing area, and we're going to go and create a viewport so it can be better displayed on screen. We're going to go to View, Viewport, New Viewports. Since we have 3 models, we're going to select 3, right? If you click on any other ones, you can see it gives you a bit of a preview. Click OK. And then we're going to use Zoom window to change the view. Oops, that's not. There we got the one view. Now we're going to select the other outside view. And then we're going to zoom the window on the floor plan. This does not change the coordinates or nothing. It is. If we're going to go and create a new paper space or layout, layout 3 that's generated, you will see it has not changed it. It is still in its original coordinates. You can also create viewports in the paper space layout, but then you must remember it's a bit more tricky, and it's going to take all 3 models here. Viewports can be saved, named, restored, deleted, joined, as well as plotted. In the next lesson, we will have a look how to dimension objects in AutoCAD. Estabom. That's it.